Hey developers, this tutorial shows how to create a simple chart using CanvasJS in just 10-15 lines of code. We'll guide you through the process, making it easy for developers to visualize data efficiently. CanvasJS is a JavaScript charting library that supports 30+ chart types including line, pie, area, bar, range, candlestick, etc. It supports features like interactive tooltip, crosshair, animation, zooming, panning, and more. Explore more options available from their documentation and make your visualization better. Let's get started with a simple example. First, ensure you have included the CanvasJS library in your HTML file. This can be done by adding a script tag with the source pointing to the CanvasJS CDN. Then create the chart and customize the look and feel. Let's explore each step in depth. Create a basic HTML structure with a div element to serve as the container for your chart. Assign an ID to this div, which will be referenced in your JavaScript code to render the chart. Add CanvasJS chart script from CDN. Now in your JavaScript file, initialize a new CanvasJS chart object. It accepts two parameters, the ID of the div container where the chart has to be displayed and set of options that has to be rendered. Here, let's pass some random data points. Once your configuration is complete, call the render method on your chart object. This method will draw the chart on the web page, transforming your data into a visual representation instantly. Congratulations! You've successfully created a chart using CanvasJS with minimal code, less than 15 lines of code. This approach is perfect for developers looking to integrate data visualization into their web applications efficiently. You can change the look and feel by switching theme to either light or dark themes, change the colors as per your design, and customize much more things. CanvasJS charts can be added to your React, Angular, Vue, PHP, Python apps as well. Check out the official site to understand the integration part and add it in your app. Got doubts? Feel free to post it in CanvasJS forums to get response directly from the CanvasJS developers. Happy coding!